how to remove saved password in Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove saved password in Facebook. In order to do it, so first of all, update and open up your Facebook application. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, it's going to direct you to the home page, and right on this page, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner, and first of all you need to log out of the current account. So tap the logout button, and so that's going to take you to the page where you'll be able to see all of the account that's on your device, and accordingly, and all the password is saved. If you want to remove the account as well as remove the saved password, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, click on the arrow icon right in the corner and tap on remove profile. As soon as you do that, the particular account password will be removed, or the saved password will be removed, and in order to log in you need to type in the password once again. Only then you'll be able to log in. So that's how you can remove saved password in Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.